to hear about that.
Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
This stupid Isaac, or whatever he called his name, just called me on phone, was like, hey boss, please, I want to come back. Blah, 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 blah. That's me now. I told Isaac, please, I don't need him myself again. I don't even want to see him. Understand? It's better you go back to your village and open a shrine. I don't need him again. That's me now.
My dear, see Isaac calling you for what now? I beg you should stay on place.
Let's just forget about all this other stuff. What is this girl?
She's coming, she went back, she's coming.
Okay. Please, can you bring your POS?
Yes, 1-5, this one and that one. How far? You see, today we need to cash Olivia. We need to clear like 4 customers. Understand? We need real money this time around. Okay? We need to pack real money. Understand? It's alright. Let me go and eat. Alright. What is going on here? Masha.
Devil.
How? How?
So, it is true.
What is true?
I thought that this poor girl was trying to fill me up. I don't even know that you are worse than Isaac.
No, now. It's not like that. Eh? Okay, go talk to him now. It's not the way you think it.
You know what? I don't want to see him in my office again. Just
no, now, no. Okay, go explain to him now. It's not the way you think it is.
Just out from my office, or I will